Welcome back to the Candle Shack studio. This video tutorial covers the cleaning process of an iMelt unit. Before cleaning, it's important to turn off and remove the power cord from the iMelt unit. If the content in the tank is above the iMelt drain valve, use the valve to empty the remaining contents. To clean the inside of the iMelt, allow it to cool to a safe temperature. Use a non-abrasive scraper or a lint-free cloth to remove the leftover contents from the tank. To clean the internal surface, use dish soap and a small amount of hot water. This, combined with a lint-free cloth or contour sanding pad, medium grade is best, allows for easy removal of slightly hardened contents such as small amounts of wax. It's important that you rinse and then drain the tank. Make sure to repeat this process until the tank is completely clean. It's also important to clean the iMelt valve. Set it in the open position. Feed a soaked lint-free cloth through the gap and repeat until the area is clean. After completing the cleaning process, dry the tank and valve with a fresh lint-free cloth. Cleaning the outside of your iMelt. Use a non-abrasive cloth or scraper to remove any residue on the iMelt housing. With the lid on, wipe the outside using a surface cleaner. Follow along the grain of the stainless steel surface. Make sure no cleaning chemicals enter the main iMelt tank. That's all from us at the Candle Shack studio. If you need any further information, check out our blog article, All You Need to Know About iMelt, linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Candle Shack.